What does it take to impact a city? What does it take to change a life? To rebuild a family? To raise a winning team? To turn a business around? To inspire the next generation? What does it take to transform a community? To unite a city? The task may seem overwhelming, but what if you started with something small? Something anyone can give. Whoever they are, wherever they are. What if you started with just 1 hour a month? That 1 hour could impact a life, a family, a community. That 1 hour could become the tipping point. That 1 hour could start a movement.
I'm giving my 1 hour.
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 I'm giving my 1 hour. Imagine the impact of just that 1 hour. 1 metro, 1 million people, 1 million hours. We can't sit around and wait for others to do the job anymore. It's going to take all of us to paint the picture we want to see. Find your niche, fill the gap, add your mark. Log on to just1hour.org.za today to find out where your 1 hour can make all the difference.